Welcome back, friends. We have seen what is meant by relation in a relational database model. Relation will have unique name. Relation will have attribute, which is represented as a column, and relation have a tuple, which is represented as row of the relation. We'll see now example of relation. So here you can see the relation where account number is a column, branch name, and balance. So account number have number of domain values for account number. Branch name have number of domain values, that those are permitted values. Domain value is nothing but it is a permitted value of attribute or relation. Balance will have again number of domain values. And if we consider a tuple, account number A101, branch of account 101 is downtown, and balance is 500. So like this. So we'll define basic structure by using a formula. Basic structure of relation. This is relation of account. This is relation courses. So we'll represent this as a formal definition. Formally, given set, that is D1, D2 up to Dn, that is data set of a relation R is subset of D1, D2 up to Dn. And we can represent relation as set of n tuples, that is attributes A1, A2 up to An, and where Ai belongs to Di. So data is belongs to the attribute and attributes belongs to the relation. So data sets D1, D2, Dn belongs to relation R, that is subset of R. Example we'll see that relation R having three attributes: customer name, customer street, and customer city. Customer name have values, that is data sets Jones, Smith, Curry, and Lindsay. Customer street are Main, North, and Park. Customer city Harrison, Ray, Pittsfield. So this is DI, which is belong to AI, and AI, A1, A2, AN. These are the tuples of relation R. So we can represent R this R as Jones, Main, Harrison, Smith, North, Ray, Curry, North, Ray, Lindsay, Park, Pittsfield. So this is a relation over customer name, customer street, and customer city. So this is the basic structure, formulation of basic structure of relation. Relation contains attributes, and attribute contains domain values or data values. Okay.